Goodwill, located in the heart of Parkland County, a not-for-profit social enterprise helps those with disabilities find and gain meaningful employment. This mission adds to the vibrancy of the region, making it such a great place to live. While our organization employs people with these barriers, our Career Connections program is how we connect local organizations in Parkland County to potential great employees, giving them a purpose, a sense of meaning, and dignity through the power of work. By working with our partners and community, Goodwill, a CARF-accredited enterprise, will continue to enhance the lives of people served for the better. We are proud to be a part of Parkland County.